welcome to my video on how to make money from TimexJobs. TimexJobs is a website where you can work from home to make excellent money. In this video, I'll show you how to get started on TimexJobs and make money by doing simple tasks. The first step to earning on TimexJobs is to sign up and create your profile. To do this, go to the TimexJobs website and click the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you can start working from home and make a lot of money. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, set at $199, you can withdraw your money, but the site requires you to get a team commission of $59. If you can collect the team commission of $59 by inviting friends, then you will be able to transfer your money from the site to your PayPal account or bank transfer IMPS. In conclusion, TimexJobs is an excellent platform for anyone who wants to earn money by completing tasks. By signing up, creating your profile, doing tasks, and inviting your friends, you can achieve a successful income on TimexJobs. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.